let's get started on that chimichurri slaw for our burger. Do you know how to peel a garlic, honey? Put it under the blade of your knife and pop down. There you go. And then that helps you get that skin off because it's going into the blender. So for this chimichurri sauce, we've got 3 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot. And then, smell that. What is that?
It smells like a lemon.
It's cilantro.
But it smells like a lemon.
Now this is parsley. We only used about 1/4 cup of the cilantro, but I want you to put all of this parsley into the blender. And we're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1, 2, 3. Very good.
What's up?
Very good. What's up?
Oh, a little extra. Okay, how much of this?
3 tablespoons, equal amount. 1. Jinx, show me a Coke. 2.
3.
3. I think that's perfect. All right, now we're gonna put on our lid and we're just gonna pulsate that until it's nice and chopped up. Let's see.
I wasn't ready, Paula.
I wasn't either. There, now it's going, Lauren, look. So tell me, Lauren, about your audition for American Idol.
I tried out for Idol when I was 15, and...
You tried out for, what are you saying?
Idol? American Idol.
Idol. I thought you said auto. Okay. All right,
You talk just like I do. Give me a break. Come on. Anyway,
you were 15 when you tried out.
And I was the last person to go, which I didn't think was a good thing because
I would think that, yeah, but I would think that would be a good thing.
I walked into the room and I saw Randy Jackson, who's been on the show since season 1.
Right.
And we're just gonna dump this in there?
Yes, just go on and toss it in with this shredded cabbage. There you go. So you walk in and
I see Randy and Jennifer Lopez.
Oh my gosh, were you just intimidated like you wouldn't believe?
And Steven Tyler.
All right, now just stir that up good.
And I was last, so I said to them, since I'm last, can my family come in here? And they said yes.
I remember that.
I sang my mom and dad's song, which is I Don't Want to Miss a Thing by Aerosmith and Steve.
All right, give us like 2 lines.
Okay. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender.
Oh my goodness.
Is that it?
Well, no, we're just done with this. You know, you go home and you tell Mama, let you make the chimichurri.
Step aside,
yes,
Mama.
come on down here, baby. And this takes the cake, I think, for summer eating, is a hamburger.
I got a really good boyfriend right now, so I decided that I was gonna cook him Valentine's dinner. And I made hamburger steak, mashed potatoes, baked macaroni and cheese, and broccoli with cheese in them. And I did really good on the macaroni, the mashed potatoes, and the broccoli, and I burnt the meat pretty bad.
You burnt the meat? How'd you burn it?
See, I'm actually really talented cook when it comes to meat because I didn't burn the outside, I burnt the inside.
How did you burn the inside?
Because I'm a terrible cook, but you gotta learn sometime.
Yes.
Can we do this?
I don't understand how you can burn something from the inside out. How'd you cook it?
Well, he ate it and he said he liked it, whether he did or not.
You know what? He was lucky to have you cook for him to start with.
I tried. It's the thought that counts.
It is certainly the thought that counts. And how old's your boyfriend?
He's 18.
Did he give you a good Valentine's gift?
He did. Is this good?
Yes, that's beautiful. All right, so we're gonna let those cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, y'all. I just seasoned it very simply with salt, pepper, and a little Worcestershire sauce. So show me what he gave you, or do you have it with you?
My daddy actually bought me this bracelet for Christmas, and he got me This heart.
Oh, I recognize that heart. It's like half a heart.
It says keep your heart open and love will find its way in.
Yes.
He said that it meant something different to him because he had to push his way in there into my heart. But
These beautiful burgers. All right. So let's fix our burgers with whatever you want on it. Now, I always put mayonnaise on my burgers.
Okay.
And I'm gonna let you fix yours the way you want to. I'm gonna put some coleslaw on my burger.
I like my burgers with mayonnaise and tomato.
With mayonnaise and tomato, okay? And I've also got a special sauce, thank you, and some onion.
So, what's in the special sauce?
Well, it's, you know, that special sauce, it's a secret. No, special sauce is usually made up of mayonnaise.
Thank you.
And a little ketchup. All right, there you go. Have a big old bite. It's hard to get your mouth around. Look at that, y'all. Layers of coleslaw and that good old burger and that onion and tomato and butter, lettuce, and a special sauce.
Oh my goodness. That's so good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Dean. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.